Hello, welcome to Halogenous Ideas. Today I'm going to be showing us how to create new pages in WordPress. So let's get to it. This is the site I'm working with. It's hosted locally on my laptop. So this is the home page, and I've disabled header and footer for this page. So this is just a standalone landing page. Now, this is the only page I have on my site. For me to add more pages to my site, I have to go to my dashboard, and for you to get to this dashboard, you copy the link to your home page, the link to your home page, then you add the extension wp-admin. Sorry. So you add the extension wp-admin to get to your dashboard. So as you can see, this is my dashboard over here. So for you to add um, new pages to your WordPress site, there are two interfaces available for you to do so. This is the first interface over here, the default interface. You come to new, then there are three ways actually that you can add the post. The first thing, you can come to these pages, add new. That is the first link you can click on to take you to the page where you're going to be adding your new page. So you can see this is the first one. So another way you can get to this particular page is you bring your mouse, you just hover over this plus icon over here, this new. You see page over here, open it in new tab. Now I have to bring it to your notice that the reason why I have landing page and template over here is because I've installed some plugins. So if you've not installed some of these plugins, you may not get this thing. I think Elementor is responsible for this. So back to this place. Now, as you can see, I have these two pages, pages where I can add new pages. So I have pages, add new, come here, then page, add new. What if I come to pages, I come to my all pages, then you see this button over here. I can also use it to get to the page where I can add a new page. So for this one, I can say this is about us. I have a home page already, so I have about us over here, publish. Then this one should be contact us. Then this is about, this is contact, and this is let me say services. So now imagine this interface. This is the default interface that comes with WordPress if you want to create a new page. And mind you, I can view my page if I just right click on this particular, or I can just copy this link, this particular link, take it to my web browser's address bar, paste it, and boom, I have my about us page. So don't forget, this is what my site looks like for now. So the reason why, like I said, you're getting this page as the home page is because I disabled the header and the footer. But by default, this page is going to be having the header, the footer, and the sidebar. I'm using Astra theme, by the way. So close this. For these other pages that I've created, I can also visit the contact us. So as you can see, this is my default contact us page. So for services as well, the same thing goes. But I have to show us the second interface before we call it a day. If you come to plugins and you go and install the classic editor, that is the old editor interface for WordPress. This classic editor over here. So if you activate the classic editor and you try to add a page, the interface that you're going to be getting will be different from the one that we used initially. Will be different from this one. So if you come to open, as you can see, this is another interface. You can also use it to create a page depending on what you're working on. So let me say this is FAQ. Yes, this is FAQ. So don't forget, this will be the default template. Then we publish. So we open this. This is the permalink of my page. So I can just open this, and it will take me to the FAQ page. So you can see the FAQ page. So this is just creating the pages there will be a tutorial on how to use Elementor to edit these web pages. So thank you very much for watching to the end. I'll see us in the next video. Let's forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, so when interesting stuff and interesting content is being uploaded on the channel, you get notification on your device. Thank you once again, and bye for now.